Hello everyone. In last episode, we learned the first part of the capital 3, and now we are going to start the second one. So let's go shopping. So here we go. Let's learn a few more terms for Lebensmittel or the groceries. Um, and when we make plural, we change a word a bit. So we have to uh, take care of. So apple means apple, and apples means the apple. So der apple, die Apfel. Banana means banana, die Banane, die Bananen. Bread is das Brot, die Brote. And the bread rolls are called, or the small breads are called das Brotchen, die Brotchen. So whenever you put this suffix chen in something, uh, it makes it small. So in case of brot, you add Brotchen, so that means it's a small brot. And then you can use it in behind every word, and then it will make it smaller. Then das Ei means the egg, und die Eier. Das Getränk is the drink, die Getränke. Der Yogurt is the yogurt, and it has no plural, so it's the yogurt. Die Kartoffel, die Kartoffeln. Der Kuchen means the cake, die Kuchen. Orange, die Orangen. Die Tomate, die Tomaten. So it means tomato. Das Bier, die Bier. So beer. Der Fisch, die Fische. So one fish and many fishes. Das Fleisch, so obviously it has no plural. Then vegetable, the vegetables. So das Gemüse, die Gemüse. Der Kaffee or Kaffee, so means coffee. Der Käse is the cheese, die Käse. Die Milch means the milk. Milch means the milk. Das Mineralwasser means the mineral water. Das Obst, the fruits. The rice is called das Reis. The cream is called die Sahne. Der Saft or juice is called der Saft, and the plural is die Säfte. The salt is called das Salz, die Salze. Tea is called der Tee, and chocolate is called die Schokolade, die Schokoladen. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If you want to practice more, subscribe to my channel and join my groups. Till then, bye bye.